జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. But if this Ravana did not do the bad thing of abducting Sitamma, he would definitely be qualified for being the master of this entire Devalokam. This Ravana is doing so many bad things. Because of that, all three worlds are getting scared of him. If this Ravana gets mad, this entire world is getting shaken. Like that, Hanuma, thinking about Ravana's glow, Ravana's strength. Now, Ravana is also looking at Hanuma and started thinking like this: Kimesha Bhagavan Nandi Bhavet Sakshat Iha Agataha. Probably this Vanara is Sakshat Nandiswara, because previously I did shake the mountain Kailasam. When I did that, Nandiswara got mad at me and he cursed me. Probably now Sakshat Nandiswara came in this form. Or the Bali's son Bana, that demon, probably came in this form to retaliate on me. Like that, Ravana started thinking, and with so much of anger, he called on one of his ministers, Prahasta, and ordering Prahasta to interrogate Anjaneya. Then Prahasta is asking, "Oh Vanara, where did you come from? Why did you came here? Why did you destroyed Asoka Vanam? Why did you scared all the demons, all the Rakshasas? Why did you invite the fight with all the Rakshasas?" When Prahasta asked all these questions to Hanuma as per orders from Ravana, and also Prahasta adding like this: "Oh Vanara, come into conscious. Don't be scared. We would not hurt you. Tell us the truth. Is Indra sent you? Or is Yama sent you? Or Kubera sent you? Or Varuna sent you? Tell us the truth, who sent you here. If you do not tell us the truth, then definitely you will be killed." Like that, Prahasta started interrogating Hanuma. Prahasta asked Hanuma, inquired Hanuma, asking that, "Who are you? Who sent you here? Hanuma, if you do not tell us the truth, definitely you will be killed." When Prahasta asked like that, now Hanuma directly saying to Ravanasura like this: "Ravana, na asmi Sakrasya, Yamasya, Varunasya va." Neither Sakra, that means Indra, nor Yama or Varuna sent me. None of them sent me here. And I do not have any acquaintance with Kubera. I don't have any friendship with Kubera. That means Kubera also did not send me here. Ravana, Vishnuna nasmi choditaha. Sri Mahavishnu also did not send me here. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे सीतारामा, हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.